I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, we are looking at the sign for Morgan Road, and right behind us is the tracks, and right down there we have a high clear for an eastbound. This is just a loaded coal, nothing too special. However, it has a different ID, a slightly different ID. Now, I do not know the symbol of this train yet, but I might find out later. But this train's symbol is actually, it actually begins with a C instead of an N, because recently, all loaded coal symbols changed from T and N to C. So that's what this is. Now the number doesn't change, so this could be like C785, C789, or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, loaded coal train is approaching us. I'm not sure if it's combined or not, but and also the day I'm filming this is May 9th, 2022. I am back home for the summer. So the next several videos you guys will be seeing on my channel will be in this area, in the Maryland area, like around the old main line, maybe something like Point of Rocks or Shenandoah Junction, or maybe somewhere I've never been to before. I don't know yet, but you're not going to see many Bessemer and Lake Erie or Newcastle subdivision videos for quite some time, but that's okay. You guys are going to be seeing videos that you're used to seeing on this channel. So yeah, stay tuned for this coal train. And by the way, we're here with Old Main Productions, who's joined me. We weren't necessarily planning on catching a train today, but we got here and we saw that there's a red car down there. Made us a little bit suspicious, and then we got the heads up from the train seekers, big shout out to them, that there was a loaded coal entering the tunnel. That's how we know that this is a loaded coal. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and here comes this train, guys. Stay tuned for when it comes. Alright, it is in Woodbine. And also, we got the train seekers down there. Well, just Brian from the train seekers. But yeah, we got Old Main Productions and the train seekers. And yeah, this train is approaching us. It's honking at Woodbine Road. It's got a second gen K5HL, so this is probably a 700 or 800 series GE ES44AH leading. So here comes this C-symboled loaded coal train. The first time I've ever catching a C-symboled coal train, but again, I don't know the symbol yet. So here we go. It's honking in the tunnel right now. It's a good sounding horn. I will admit, I do like the second gen K5HL. But here comes this train. Alright, here it is. I wasn't even close. Tier 4 Jiva with a second gen K5HL. Really interesting. Yeah, this train's going relatively fast. The speed limit here is about, I want to say 35. Looks like this guy's going about 30. Oh, there's a smaller one. Recently, there's actually been a few coal trains that have had hoppers that had New York Central reporting marks, which are ex-New York Central, officially Conrail. I have not seen one yet, though. Man, there's a lot of coal dust coming. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. Actually, you probably can if you look closely above the coal hoppers around the trees back there. Yeah. Pretty standard train for the old main line, but very surprised that the horn was a second gen K5HL from a Tier 4 G-Bell. Really interesting. Oh, there are DPUs. This is a combined train. Okay. This is a big one. I think there's 3. Here they are. Oh, 938. That's a shame 938 wasn't leading. That unit has a hybrid 3rd gen K5HLA. Oh well, not going to complain, but I really wish that that unit was leading. But whatever. I'm so happy to catch any train I can get. Boy, talk about dust in the wind. This train is very dusty. Heading to Curtis Bay Yard in Baltimore, Maryland. That coal hopper looks really different than 8300 series. I'll have to look that one up. But some of these coal hoppers I probably mentioned before. If it says 3900 on it and it's black, then it's a little bit older of a style. That 8300, I've never seen that before. There's another, that was a 3700 series. Huh. Lots of interesting coal hoppers on this train. Very strange, but that's good. Strange is good when it comes to coal train, I must say. There's the 3900 series. The end is approaching. All right, thank you guys for watching that video, and here for Morgan Road crossing on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. This is the Old Main guy signing off, and all of you watching this video, have a great day. Stay tuned for more videos, guys.